Hey everyone, it's Crystal, your go-to guide on working from home and specializing in real estate. You may or may not also know that I love drinking tea. I'm a huge fan of the Golden Girls, and I have a sweet spot for stay-at-home moms. But more about that later. I am here to share with you, I am offering a new training. And the reason why I'm showing all my teeth and I'm so excited about this training is the format that I'm going to be offering it in because it's really a great user experience. And I'm surprised I haven't done this before, but hey, better now than never. So the title of this workshop is How to Work from Home as a Virtual Assistant Specializing in Real Estate. So if you started off 2019 gung-ho, ready to make changes in your life, ready to transition from maybe your 9 to 5 and working from home, or if you're stay at home already and wanting to start an at-home business, and as we are in the last quarter of 2019, we have 3 months left of 2019, and you're looking at your situation realizing it looked exactly the way it did January of 2019, then you definitely need to grab a seat in this workshop. We will be going over how to attract your ideal clients, how to charge, how to offer your skills that you have gained throughout the years and offer them in a way to where your clients, they want to say yes and they want you to have them integrated into their team. And this is also an income boost for you by offering your skills as an additional service. We'll talk more about that in the workshop. And then we'll also talk about what not to spend money on and what you should be spending money on, and some other things too that I'm really excited about. Along with the workshop, my team and we are working on this great workbook for you. And it's something that you'll be able to use throughout the year, throughout the years, really. It's something that you can use as a resource in your business. And I'm really proud of it. I'm really excited about the way that it's starting to look already. And so I'm also going to be offering a live Q&A at the end of the training. So the training will be for 2 hours. I will teach, you'll have your workbook to go through while I teach, and then you get to ask all of your questions. Now, let me get back to the format of this workshop and why I was so excited about the format. I'm going to be hosting the workshop in a closed Facebook group. And what this means is that when we have our workshop, of course, I'll do the live workshop. Well, you'll ask questions, I'll get those questions answered, and then that workshop will be basically open, and you can have the ability to go back and watch the replay. And then for a period of time, I will be active in that workshop, answering all of the questions that you have, maybe even after the workshop. Because you know how it is. You attend something, you leave, you sleep on it, and then you think of more questions. So I will be there for you when that happens. So I love the format of this workshop, and I really know that it's going to benefit you as the student, as the user, because you'll be able to watch the replay and maybe hear something differently the second time than you did the first. And then most importantly, you get to ask questions. And that's my favorite part. So I hope that you join me. I will be offering 2 different dates for this workshop. You can find all of the details below this video, but I really think that this is something that you need to invest in yourself with if you really want the end of this year and the beginning of 2020 to look different than it started off with. All right, I hope you will say yes, and I hope to see you in my virtual classroom. All right, remember, you got this, and I believe in you.